FAQ about NFT. NFTs can be perplexing, as there's a wealth of information and misinformation to sift through. If you're interested in creating and selling an NFT, we're here to help you understand the process. The following are some frequently asked questions you may have as you prepare to create your first NFT. What exactly is minting? As with actual cash, the term minting refers to the process of producing a currency and non-fungible tokens on a blockchain. Typically, with NFTs, this occurs on Ethereum. Minting stores data in an immutable and tamper-proof public ledger that can track and follow the NFT as subsequent sales are made. Minting is typically associated with a fee, the gas fee mentioned above. However, as previously said, some marketplaces are growing more inventive in terms of how, when, and to whom fees are collected. What exactly is a blockchain? According to Investopedia, a blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among computer network nodes. The strength of blockchain technology is that it ensures security and trust without requiring a third party, hence expediting data transactions. The data entered is irreversible, ensuring that it is preserved in perpetuity. For NFTs, this implies that the artist can track their NFT and ensure that they receive a percentage of future sales. For more thorough information, see our guide to NFT cryptography. Do I require a cryptocurrency wallet? Yes, in the majority of cases. In the majority of circumstances, you will be required to pay in cryptocurrency in order to mint or purchase an NFT. As a result, the majority of NFT exchanges need users to set up a cryptocurrency wallet in order to manufacture and trade NFTs. MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet, however Coinbase is another secure option. Certain newer NFT marketplaces, such as Nifty Gateway, have begun accepting fiat currency payments via credit and debit cards, facilitating access to NFTs. What are gas surcharges? This is the fee that must be paid on the Ethereum blockchain in order to complete a function, such as creating, minting, an NFT. Gas prices are expressed in BLY and fluctuate according to the level of blockchain usage. On average, each transaction will cost you 0.0042 ETH. Early in the morning, between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., UTC, or late at night, between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m., you can find lesser fees, UTC. Can I avoid paying gas taxes? Yes, certain NFT marketplaces now support gas-free minting. Among these are OpenSea and Rarible. This strategy effectively shifts the gas fee to the buyer, not the producer, and ensures that it is reflected in the sale, a little like VAT, or the fuel tax added by some airlines. Certain blockchains do not charge gas fees or charge them at a reduced rate. Polygon on OpenSea or ImmutableX on Mintable are two examples. Before minting or purchasing an NFT, research the fees and the blockchain and token that will be utilized. Are there any blockchains that are energy efficient? Yes, and NFT marketplaces are now offering energy-intensive Ethereum alternatives with lower carbon footprints. There are several of these, including Flow, Tezos, and Polygon. Solana, a new blockchain, claims to be carbon neutral. Check which NFT marketplace is being used and choose one that is compatible with your conscience. Is it possible for anything to be an NFT? Yes. An NFT can be used to store any type of digital file. While the majority of marketplaces are designed for digital artwork, an increasing number now accept video, game assets, and audio. Physical products, like as limited edition Nike sneakers, are also being digitized as NFTs. In the future, expect NFTs to live on and between digital and physical spaces. Where may NFTs be purchased? NFTs are available for sale and purchase through NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. Some of them are open to the public, while others require an invitation. Some are solely for artistic purposes, while others are exclusively for video games. There truly is an NFT marketplace for everyone, So conduct some research to determine which one is ideal for you. Can I exhibit my NFT artwork? Yes, new NFT displays are released on a regular basis. These are essentially 4K and 5K displays, but the best feature haptic anti-glare screens that simulate the appearance of art on canvas. What types of NFTs are most popular? The most popular NFTs are those by known artists, such as Beeple and Damien Hirst, or those with utility. The latter will be of interest to the majority of new NFT artists. For instance, may it be used to participate in real-world events, a community chat room, or even to raise money for charity. World of Women is an excellent NFT, as are the several Ukraine conflict NFTs that raise donations for NGOs such as Doctors Without Borders. Please check out description for more information.